He was excited for a day of fun at Cedar Point. Thrilling rides and cotton candy were waiting for him. But as he wandered around, luck took a turn. He found himself in the wrong place at the wrong time. A flock of birds unleashed their droppings all over him. Feeling humiliated, he rushed to his car, desperate to escape. As he drove out, anger overcame him. In a wild moment, he ran over a few birds. Not his proudest day, but certainly one to remember. Sometimes, a day at the amusement park takes an unexpected twist.